Hi, in this follow-on screencast, I'm going to run through using the Greenbone Security Manager, which was formerly OpenVAS, to perform a simple vulnerability assessment scan of a single target. I'll be upfront in saying that this is a single scan, and it took approximately 50 minutes to complete, so you will need to factor this in. Okay, now you can see that I have my Greenbone Security Manager up and running. I have updated the feeds. If you look across at the MVTs by severity class, you can see that there is a pie chart there. And if we look across to our CVEs by creation time, we can see that we have entries in there. We can go across to administration, go down to feed status, and we can see that our feed has been updated. But to make sure, I'm just going to hit the F5 key and just make sure that they are updated, and as you can see they are. So now we'll go across to configuration, targets. We're going to set up our target list. In this case I'm only going to do one target, so we'll go across and click new target, and we're going to name it. I'm going to name mine tset. So it's tset target. I'm going to do a manual host, so in this case it's 10.0.0.125, and everything else I'm going to keep as default. I'll just save that, and as you can see we have our test target, or our tset target, has been created. So now we'll go across to scans and tasks, and we'll create a new task. So we go to new task, and the name of this I'm just going to call scan test 1. Go down to my scan targets and select tset target, and again everything else is going to be kept as default. So now we'll go down and we'll save that task, and we can see now that the task has been created and it has a status of new. So we'll go across and we'll start the task, and as you can see it's now requested. Just be aware that this scan actually took approximately 55 minutes to complete. I have sped things up a little bit so that you don't get totally bored. As you can see, the scan status has progressed. Okay, our scan is just about finished, and there we go, the scan is now done. So the next step is to look for the reports. So we'll go up to our scan item, click on reports from the drop down menu, and you can see that we have a scan report there, and you can have a look and you can see the severity reports. We'll click on our link, and from here we can see that we have all these headings. We're just going to look at the results heading at the moment, and as you can see these are all the results that have come in from the scan. So we have quite a few vulnerabilities that have been found to be high, and we can go across to the other tabs and have a look at the different headings. Now we'll just go up and we're going to save this report, so we click on the download button, and we're going to change the report format from an anonymous XML to PDF. So we can come down and click on the PDF. You can also now just store this as default if you wish, but I'm just going to hit OK. And then I'm just going to save it. Once you've saved it, you can then open this scan using, open the scan report as it's a PDF and move on from there. I hope that this has been of some help to you, and we'll see you next time.